Alright, just watch it. So see, lift up, kick, back and down. Now this has to be done faster. Kick and down, kick and down. Alright. Now as you are kicking, you need to bring it back and place it down. You can't be just doing it like this and down. You need to lift up, kick and down. It's an actual kick. Let's do 5 on each side. Open up your leg full as you kick. No half kicking. You need to open up your leg full. Let's start. 5 kicks on each side. Yes. Good. Very good. Yes. Use force when you kick. You need to actually kick. 5 on each side. Quickly, everyone. Yes. Good, Rajni. Okay. Alright. Now, let's combine it with a squat and hop. So, again, you're standing with your legs shoulder width apart. You bend down in a squat, come up. Lift up, kick and down. Bend down in a squat, come up. Lift, kick and down. Now, this has to be done slightly faster. Squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick. Alright, yes. Let's try it. Squat, kick, yes. Try doing it alternate on each leg. Good. Yes. Bend down in a squat more, Kirti. Bend down, yes. Okay. Alright. Now, the third movement is your front kick and back kick. Okay. And just see how are we going to do it. So, your front kick is this which we just did. Okay. Now, what is your back kick? So, you take your leg back, kick and bring it back. Alright. Now, for this, just let me show you how my legs are going to be placed. I lift up, bend your upper body. You are here. Now kick from here. Bring it back and down. Okay. If you just do it like this, your range of motion is restricted. You might end up kicking on the side, which we don't want. So, watch it. You bend down, kick and back. Kick and back. Just watch it from here. You bend down, kick and back. Kick and back. So, when you kick, you need to bring your leg back and then bring it down. Don't do this. Don't bring your straight leg down. You need to kick back, down. Okay? Let's practice 5 on each side. Only back kicks. Only back kicks. Yes. Bend, kick. Yes. Then stand straight. Once you have kicked, you come back, stand straight. Yes. Again go down. Kick. Stand straight. Yes. Go down. Kick. Stand straight. Yes. Yes. Okay. Relax. Alright, now let's combine it with front kick. And how are we going to do it? So, we are here. Front kick, back kick. Front kick, back kick. So, if you lose out on your balance, you can always be on the floor. So, watch it again. Front kick, back kick. Front kick, back kick. Okay? Either this or what you do is front kick, back kick. Front kick, back kick. Alright? Either do it in one go like this, alright, or break it into this movement. Yes? Let's try doing 5 on each. Let's do that. First is your front kick. Front kick, back kick. Yes. Kick with force as if actually a person is standing behind and in front and you want to kick. Yes. Bharat, you need to use force. Lift up, kick hard, yes. Back, kick, yes. Good. Okay, relax. Just practice it on both the sides so you are used to. Now, let's come to the workout. The workout is Tabata, which is 20 seconds of workout and 10 seconds of rest. We are going to do it for 6 minutes. And how it is going to be? First movement, butt kicks, 20 seconds of movement. 10 seconds of rest. Second movement, squat, kick, alternate, squat, kick, 20 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds rest. Third movement, front and back kick, we do 20-20 as in 20 seconds on this leg, then 20 seconds on this leg with 10 seconds of rest in between. Okay, yes, are we ready? I'm going to keep reminding you of the movement, so don't worry that you are going to miss out or you won't remember. The first movement is your butt kicks, and we are going to do it for 20 seconds. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Butt kicks, 20 seconds, yes. Very good. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 10 seconds breather. After that, you are going to do squat, kick, squat, kick. Okay? Start. Yes. Kick harder. You should be able to actually hit a person with your kick. Use force. If you will not use force, you won't be engaging your muscles. You won't be doing that cardio workout which is expected of this movement. Relax. Okay, next movement is your front and back kick. So get ready. Front kick, back kick on one leg. Okay, don't change your leg. Start. Front kick, back kick, yes. Good. Very nice. Kick with force. Bend down. 5 more seconds on this. Relax. 10 seconds breather, then we'll change our leg. Okay, start. Change your leg and start. Try to balance yourself. And if you are not able to balance, you can break your movement, but make sure you kick hard. Yes. 7 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, 10 seconds breather only. 2 minutes done. 4 more minutes to go. Get ready. Butt kicks is the next movement. Start. 20 seconds butt kick started. Yes, very good. Faster, faster, faster. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, get ready for squat and front kick. You need to squat as deep as possible. 3, 2, 1. Start. Squat deeper. Kick hard. Yes. Deeper and hard kick. Yes. You're actually hitting a person standing in front of you. Kick hard. Yes. Keep changing your leg. Alternate leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Next movement is going to be front kick, back kick on one side. Okay. Get ready. Start. Front kick, back kick, front kick. Yes. Harder. Yes. Very good, Rajni. Good. Try to kick. You actually want to hit a person with your kick. Yes. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. 10 seconds breather. Then we change our leg. Get ready. Start. Change your leg. Same movement. Front and back kick. Yes. Carry on. Carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Walk around. Last 2 minutes. Let's do that. We are starting with butt kicks in 3, 2, 1. Start. Butt kick started. Last 2 minutes. Let's do that. Yes. Kirti, take your legs further back. You need to have your heels touching your butts or as close as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, 10 seconds breather. Then we are going to do squat and front kick, alternate on each leg. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Start. Squat, front kick. Yes, change your leg. Squat, front kick. Yes. Faster, faster, everyone. Yes, breathe out. Every time you kick, you need to breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 10 seconds breather. Then we are going to do front kick and back kick. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Start. Front kick, back kick. Same leg. Yes. Bharat, don't hold the wall. Even if you lose out on your balance, that's okay. Engage your core instead of finding a support. Good, good. 5 more seconds. Excellent. Carry on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax. Last 20 seconds, we change our leg. Get ready. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Start. Same movement. Front kick, back kick. Change your leg. Yes, very good, Bharat. Good. Good, Rajni. Yes, come on, Deepa. Kick harder. Deepa, imagine an enemy. Kick harder. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. We are through with our 6 minutes of Tabata. Today we chose lower body kicks as the workout. Okay. Let's get ready. Let's take a minute break. You need to relax, have water, keep walking. Don't sit, don't lie down. Otherwise you will feel dizzy. Next part is strength and conditioning. Again, we are going to focus on our lower body. Okay. Let's meanwhile see what we are going to do. So in strength and conditioning, we are going to pick up one movement and do 3 sets and so on. And usually every set has a variation. So same movement is not repeated except in few cases. Okay. Now the first movement is a squat. And how are we going to do it? We take one single dumbbell. Just let me change my camera. Okay. We take one single dumbbell. We are going to do goblet squat. Put it across your chest. Legs are shoulder width apart. Now from here, push your hips back, bend down, come back up. Bend down, pause, come back up. And as you come back up, try to feel your glutes, try to squeeze in your glutes. Alright? Let's do that 12 counts in the first set. Goblet squats. Yes. So that's the movement. You go down, pause, come up. You go down, pause, come up. 10 or 12 counts. Start everyone on your own. Yes. And when you come out, don't lock your knees. Your knees should always remain soft. Yes, good. Okay. If you are done, you can relax. Okay. In the next set, you are going to hold 2 dumbbells in your hands. Place it across your shoulders like that. Again, legs are shoulder width apart. Now you squat down, pause, come up. Squat down, pause, come up. You do 10 counts like that. And after 10 counts, what do? Is you go down in a squat, you pulse 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And come back. Got it? So 10 of squats. Yes, 10 of these. And after 10, you do 8 pulses down. Alright? And then finally you relax. Let's do that second set. 10 counts with 8 pulses. Start, yes. Usual 10 counts up and down. Yes, very good. Excellent, Kirti. Very nice. Good, Mukund. Good. Eight pulses. Once you are done 10. You need to do 8 pulses. What happened, Bharat? Feeling stiffness in your lower back? Yes. Slightly stretch your legs. You will feel better. So give your spine some rest. Everyone, you can do that. So either you can sit in the child pose for a while, or you can stretch your legs. So what you do is just be in the cobra once to relax your lower back, and then go down and try touching your toes. Let your back hunch. Do this 2-3 times. You will release tension in your lower back and also stretch your legs. So generally when our legs become stiff, we experience a pain in our lower back. Okay? Alright. Okay, meanwhile, let's watch what we are going to do in the third set. Now, in the third set, again, our dumbbells will be held across the shoulders. Legs are shoulder width apart. We are going to do 12 counts with 2 pulses in each. And what do I mean by that? So, we go down, we say 1, 2, come back up. 1, 2, come back up. Alright? Like this, you are going to do 12 counts. Let's do that. Start. Yes, hold both the dumbbells. Take your dumbbells up. Go down 1, 2. Very good, Kirti. Yes. Yes, good, Rajni. Good. Rajni, make sure your toes are not out. They are in. Slightly keep them in. Yes, good. Yes. "12 counts. Breathe out every time you go down in a squat. Yes. Okay, Bharat, you still feeling the stiffness?
Yes, little bit. I was
Little
having
bit.
pain earlier also. I think I overdid it on Sunday. Since then, I've had the pain.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
today, what you do is you do it without weights. Okay, do the exercises without weights. All right, let's look at the next movement, which is your sumo squats. Now, in the first set, we are going to do it with one single dumbbell. So hold the dumbbell in your hands, chest out, back straight. Now, widen your legs, toes pointing out. So watch my toes. They are in the same line and pointing out. Now from here, push your hips back. Go down. Pause. Come back up. Alright? Push your hips back. Go down. Pause. And come back up. Let's do that. 12 counts. Simple sumo squats with one weight held down. Yes. Make sure your chest is out, back is straight. Don't pulse, Kirti. We will be doing pulsing later. Yes. Just go down and up. Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. Deepa, push your hips back more. So bend from your hips more. That is what I'm trying to say. Yes. Good. Good. Make that effort. Yes. Pause when you go down. Okay. Once you are done, you can relax. Okay. The second set is again your weights are held across your shoulders like that. Be in the sumo stance. Alright, now we go down with 2 pulses. And how? So we do 1, 2, come back up. 1, 2, come back up. Okay, and when you come up, don't lock your knees. You need to keep your knees soft. Alright, let's do 12 counts again. So sumo squats with 2 pulses. 12 counts. Start. Everyone, on your own. Yes. Good. Bharat, you can slightly give an inch of widen your legs. Just an inch wider. Yes. Yes. Good. Good, Rajni. Yes, very good, Deepa. Good, Kirti, good. Yes, Kirti, make sure your toes are pointing out. So your feet should be like this. Yes. Good, good. 12 counts. Once you are done 12 counts, you relax. There is a variation in the third set. Okay. Now I'll be slightly lowering my camera angle. Okay. Now, how are we going to do it? So, again you're going to hold the dumbbell across your shoulders like that. I'm showing you a lower view because that is what I want you to observe. You are here. Now from here, starting point, you go down, squat, lift your heel, 1, heel 2, come back up, down in a squat, heel 1, heel 2, come back up. Now when you're going down, lifting your heel, don't lift yourself up. You need to stay, 1, 2, and up. Alright, got it? Let's do 12 counts. Start on your own. Go down in a squat, lift one heel, then lift the other heel, and then come back up. Start on your own. Down, one heel. Very good, Kirti. Good. One heel, second heel. Yes, and come back up. Yes, good, Mukund. Good. Good, Deepa. Yes. Yes, 12 counts. Yes, good. Very nice, Rajni. Good. Clean movement. Okay. Once you are done, you relax. Alright. The next movement is simple KB swings. So, hold one single dumbbell. Legs are slightly wider, not too wide. Bend down, swing up. Bend down, swing up. Give that a thrust with your pelvis. So, from here you bend down, swing up. Bend down, up. Down, up. Yes, let's do that. 12 counts, first set. Start, everyone. Yes. Don't take your dumbbell too high. Just go down, lift it up. Down, up. You need to squeeze your pelvis here. Feel your glutes muscles. Yes. 12 counts in the first set. Kirti, bend your legs. Bend your knees when you go down. Good. Yes, much better. Very good. 12 counts in the first set. Take a breather of 15 seconds or so. Not much of a breather here. Bharat, are you comfortable doing the KB swings? Okay, good. Alright. The next section, the next round will be 15 counts. Same movement. No change in kettlebell swings. 15 counts. Start whenever you are ready. So take a 20 seconds of breather or so and then you can start your 15 counts. Yes. Give that a thrust with your pelvis as you take it up. Yes. Lift off your heels slightly. Very good, Rajni. Good. Yes. Yes. Very good, Kirti. I can see your kettlebell is heavy and it is good. So in kettlebell swings, try to lift a slightly heavier weight than you usually do in your shoulder press or other movements. Okay. Rest for 20 seconds after the second set. Yes, walk around, rest. You can even relax your lower back. You can, just slightly bend backwards and go down, touch your knees, be in the child pose. Relax your lower back once. Okay. Third set is going to be your 20 counts. No need to hurry it. Start whenever you are ready. You still have time. If you want to stretch your lower back, you can. 20 counts of kettlebell swings in the last set of KB swings. Start whenever you are ready. Yes. Keep your chest out, back straight, everyone. Concentrate on the form. Yes, Kirti, you can resume. Okay, once you are done, you relax. Stretch your lower back. Stretch yourself slightly so you can, even elongate your spine like that and keep walking around in your room. Give yourself a good stretch for another 30 seconds before we look at the next movement. Okay. The next movement is going to be your duck walk. And how are we going to do the duck walk? While you are resting, you can observe. So just let me lower my camera angle and show you. So the duck walk goes like this. You've done this movement before. So the start point is one leg is in front, one leg is at the back, and you sit down. This is your start point. One foot is on the floor, the other foot heel is lifted up. Chest out, back straight. And from here you take smaller steps and you walk. Now once you reach the end, you turn around and walk again. So that's your duck walk. Alright? Yes, this is how you're going to do it. If this seems difficult, you can use the floor as you walk like this. Alright? Use the floor. But make sure you don't get up and start doing this. This is not a duck walk. Okay? You need to be as low as possible. We'll do it for 30 seconds and 3 sets. Get ready. Take your position. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, very good. Keep walking. Yes, Kirti, keep walking. Very nice. Good. Yes. Good, good, good. Yes. Very nice, Rajni. Good, Bharat. 15 more seconds. Yes. Your quads are going to pain. Yes. Carry on, carry on. Smaller steps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Get up, start walking. For once, keep your legs straight, bend down and try touching your toes. Stretch your spine, stretch your hamstrings and glutes. Yes, keep your knees straight. Yes, go down, try to stretch yourself. Okay, let's get ready. Second set, same movement, no change, 30 seconds. Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes. Yes, very good, Deepa, good. Yes. Nice, Bharat, nice, yes. So looks like all of you have mopped the floor somehow in the lockdown. 7 seconds more, don't give up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay. Yes, Deepa, your voice is echoing. Yes, tell me. Not audible, Deepa, not audible. You write it down, maybe. Sorry, but your voice has an echo.
Beck, can you hear me now?
Yes.
I was saying I'm sliding my feet more than lifting them. I think that's wrong.
I can see that. No, that is not wrong. For the time being, it's okay. All right. So slowly you will get that energy when you lift up the feet. I can see that you were sliding. That's okay for now. All right? Okay. All right. Let's get ready. Third set. Same movement. 30 seconds. Duck crawl. Get down. At the count of 3, 2, 1. Start. Yes. Very good. Very nice, Kirti. Good. Keep that going. Yes. Good, Rajni. Excellent movement. Yes. Chest out. Back straight, everyone. 10 more seconds. Don't give up. Nice, nice. Carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Get up. Give your body a stretch. First lift yourself up and then go down. Touch your toes. Let your back hunch as you go down. And then give yourself a back stretch as well. Okay. Let's look at the next movement. The next movement we are going to do glutes bridge. So the first set is going to be your full glutes bridge and the second 2 sets are going to be one leg at a time. Alright, let's see what do I mean by that. So for this, you lie down on your mat like this. Again, you can hold one dumbbell. So hold one dumbbell at your lower abdomen and support it with your hands. Lie down. Now from here, fold your legs slightly closer, not too close but slightly closer. Lift your torso as high, support the dumbbell with your hands, pause, come down without touching the hips on the floor. Again lift up, pause and down. Again lift up, pause and down. Alright, let's do that 10 counts in the first set. Start on your own. Place your dumbbell on your lower abdomen, support it with your hands and start raising your torso up and down. Yes. Pause and down. Yes, lift up, pause and down. Yes, very good. Okay. Once you are done 10 counts, you relax. You can even sit in a cross leg position to relax yourself. Okay. The second set we are going to do single leg glutes bridge. And how? Again, lie down. Place your dumbbell on your lower abdomen. Lift your torso up. Now from here, take one leg up. Bring down your torso. Again, lift it up. The leg remains up. You do 10 on this side and then change your leg by still keeping your torso as high. Change your leg 10 on the other side. Alright, let's do that. 10 counts on each leg. Yes. Yes. Keep moving your torso up and down. Don't move your leg up and down. Move your torso up and down. The leg stays stable even if it is raised. Yes, that's fine. Kirti, drop the dumbbell. Do it without dumbbell. Yes, drop the dumbbell. Now do it. You should be able to do. Yes. Lift up. Yes, very good. Don't bring your leg down. The leg remains up. Only the torso goes up and down. Yes, very good. Lift up. Yes, there you go. Excellent. Okay. Relax yourself if you are done. Now, in the last set, we are going to hold one leg up for 20 seconds and the other leg up again for 20 seconds. Relax yourself for a few minutes, then we'll start. Kirti, relax yourself. Okay. Relax. Now, watch it how. So, either you can keep your dumbbell or you can do it without dumbbell. Both the movements are correct. Now, when I say start, you need to lift up your torso, raise one leg high and hold 20 seconds. Then I ask you to change your leg. Without bringing your torso down, you take the other leg up and hold. Okay? Let's do that. 20 seconds on each leg. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, hold, started. Yes, 5 seconds already up. Keep holding your torso high. Lift up more. Yes, pull yourself up. 5 more seconds on this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop this leg. Raise the other leg. Don't drop your torso. Lift up. Yes. Hold it. Yes, carry on. 15 more seconds. Sorry, 10 more seconds. Yes, 5 now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Nice. Alright, let's look at the next movement. Walk around for a few seconds and look at what we are going to do next. We are going to do our calf raises. Okay, and in calf raises, we'll be doing 2 sets. One will be your farmer's walk and one will be your single leg calf raises. For farmer's walk, just like we did in the warm-up round, what we are going to do it, this time hold both the dumbbells in your hands. Okay. Lift your legs up, be on your toes, chest out, back straight, knees soft. Jog on the spot like this. In your room, on your toes while holding the dumbbells in your hands. So don't jog like this. Okay? Don't jog like this. You need to be fast and be as close to the floor as possible. Okay? Yes? Let's do it for 30 seconds. Get ready. Get up, take your dumbbells. It is a calf workout. Hold the dumbbells in both the hands. Try lifting a slightly heavier dumbbell if you have an option. Okay, get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. 30 seconds, farmer's walk or jog. Keep jogging back and forth in your room. Yes, jog, then turn around, jog, yes. Very good. Chest out, back straight. Very good, Bharat. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now, in the second set, we are going to do single leg calf raises. And how? So drop your dumbbells. We don't need the dumbbells now. What we need is a wall or a bench or whatever you have in your room. So suppose this is the wall. You can use wall or any table. I am showing you on my lower body because that is the focus. Now from here, raise one leg up. Be on one leg. Okay. And now from here, raise the leg up and down. Raise the leg up and down. Now this hold is only so that I don't lose out on my balance. Okay. So you need to, if you lose your balance, just hold it once, bring it down. Up. If you lose your balance, hold it once. Okay. Don't put your body weight here and do it. Okay. Yes. Let's do that. 20 seconds on each leg. Start. Hold wall or anything in your room which you are able to. Yes. Yes. Kirti, very nice. In the bench, you can even go down further. Yes.
Mehak, I just missed the moment. Please
No
show.
problems, I'll show. So, you hold the ball or anything in your room, raise one leg, lift one leg up, bring down, lift one leg up, bring down. You can do 10 on each side, even that is correct. I did not measure the 20 seconds timer. You can do 10 on each side. Yes. Kirti, try doing it with one leg. That movement is fine. Yes, try doing it with one leg. Yes, very good. 10 on each side. In the second set of this movement, you can hold one dumbbell in your hand. Okay, and that is optional. So dumbbell here is absolutely optional in the next set. So if you are lifting up from your left leg, you hold the dumbbell here, just change your side and lift up and down. So if you are lifting up from your right leg, your dumbbell should be held on the right leg. Lift up and down, up and down, up and down. 10 on each. Let's do that third set as well with the dumbbell. Dumbbell is optional. 10 on each. Yes. Carry on. Once you are done, 10 on each and 3 sets of this, you start walking. Yes. Drop your dumbbells, walk around if you are done. We are left with one last movement. Okay. All right. Okay, in the next movement, we are going to do Supermans. You have done the movement before. We do 2 sets of it. One will be your Superman count up and down, and one will be your Superman count up and down and holding it for 20 seconds. Watch the movement. So you are here, you lie down. Now from here, lift your upper body, your lower body up, high, down. Again up, down. Again up as high as possible and then down. Alright, 10 counts of this. Let's start. Lie down. Lift your upper body as well as your lower body up and down. Yes. Try to give it a pause. 10 counts. Yes, very good. Yes. Alright, sit in the child pose for 10 seconds, everyone. Okay. The next set is going to be 10 counts up and down and then hold for 20 seconds. Alright, so at my counts you will be going up and down. Get ready, lie down. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold your Superman up. Yes, very good. 20 seconds. 15 seconds now. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Keep pulling yourself up. 10 more seconds. Hold it, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. We are through with our workout. Take a 30 seconds breather. Get up, walk around. After that, we are going to do our stretching.